Did you know that chili powder is not one thing, but a million things? Hi, I'm Mark Scarborough, and this is the cooking channel, Cooking with Bruce and Mark on YouTube, and I am going to taste chili powders. Okay, so let's first start out about North American chili powder is super mild. It's a blend of oregano and cumin, but chili powder is so much more. They're a dried chili powder, and I'm gonna taste them. And I wanna tell you before I start, I have never tasted these. And shout out to Spice Jungle. Check them out online, spicejungle.com. They do not support this episode. They did not send me these for free. I paid for them, but they have an amazing selection of ground chili powders at Spice Jungle. Check them out. Also, I have some corn tortillas, I have some butter, and I'm literally gonna taste these things just bald, just straight on. And in a previous episode, I made fun of New England tortillas and said there was no such thing as a good tortilla in New England. And somebody corrected me on Facebook. So shout out to Mi Tierra for these unbelievable corn tortillas that I found at a co-op in Great Barrington. So apparently there are good tortillas in New England. So here we go. Let's go and try it. So let me tell you, I'm gonna put a little butter on here. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm gonna first try the first chili powder is a Guajillo chili powder. This is a ground Guajillo chili. It's, I'm putting a little on there. I don't want to get too much because I don't want to kill myself. I'm going to put it on the butter. I'm going to roll it up in my tortilla. Now I want to taste it. Oh my God. Oh, it's got this fruity, almost sweet flavor to it. I would love to see what Bruce would do with this. Bruce is a chef on our duo, and I would love to see what he'd do. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little more butter on my tortilla. If you don't know, the capsaicin, the stuff that causes the burn in chilies, is killed by fat. You can drink all the iced tea and all the beer you ever want, and you're never gonna kill the burn. Capsaicin is destroyed by fat, so that's why I'm putting a little butter on my tortillas. Okay, the next bit here is a Pasilla Negro, and this is a black pasilla chili. It is gonna have a lot more punch than that Guajillo did. It's gonna open up my sinuses a bit. It should have a very chocolatey caramel taste, but we'll see. All right, a little bit of heat. Yep. Chocolate, caramel, tobacco, leathery, really savory. Very few sweet notes in this. That is a fine chili powder. Okay, before I get to my next chili powder, subscribe to this channel, press the like button. And yes, I know, I'm putting a lot of chili powder on these. I want to taste it, so get ready. Next up, I'm getting dangerous. This is Serrano. These are ground Serrano chilies. They have been ground up. There should be a little bit of a kick here, so get ready. I know what Serranos taste like. Fresh, they're bright, they're flavorful. Ground and dried as chili powder, interesting. Okay, there's the burn. Okay, I'm glad I had butter. Okay, wow. That's gorgeous. Oh, I can feel the endorphins in my head. Wow. Heat, lots of heat. A little bit of caramel in the back now that I've swallowed it. This, wow, I can imagine this sprinkled over the top of nachos. I can imagine this on a baked potato with butter and sour cream. I'm getting a little crazy here because now I'm at the ground anchos. Anchos can be hot and they can have a punch, like a punch to be had. So let's see what this thing does. Rolling it up. A little afraid. It's hot, but it has a much more sophisticated heat to it. Oh, it has kind of brown sugary notes to it. Oh, this would be so good in chili. This would offer a real complexity of flavor. Oh, I love this ancho stuff. One last taste. One last chili powder, just to prove to you, chili powder is not one thing. It's millions of things. And you know what? You want to up your cooking? You can up it easily this way. Ready? These are ground jalapenos that have been turned into jalapeno chili powder. We're going in and we're doing it. Oh my God, that's hot. Wow. That is a wow, banging heat. Remember, butter kills the burn? Okay. That's hot, smoky, bright, citrusy. Oh, it's hot. But remember, water doesn't kill the taste. All water does is move the fat around your mouth, which is what will kill the burn. And oh, that is amazing. Okay, if you have friends like I do in New England and you want to kill them, get yourself some ground jalapeno chili powder. They won't know what hit them. Oh my God, it's so hot and I'm going back. Subscribe to this channel, hit like, my nose is running, hit like, subscribe to this channel, come back, there'll be more videos, but oh wow, I don't know, ground jalapeno chili powder. Would you try it? Let me know in the comments. Let me know before I burn up. Mark Scarborough, Cooking with Bruce and Mark. Come back.